Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can forward someone calls to your phone without installing any app or touching the person's phone. Or maybe you have two lines and your phone is using only one SIM. And maybe you don't want to carry two phones at the time. You can forward calls from one phone to the other. But before I continue, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. For any comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Or if this is not your first time, but you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please consider doing it now. This is one way of supporting and encouraging us to continue creating great content like this. Now let's start. You need to dial this code on your phone. Open up your phone dialer and dial **21**. Then the number that you want to forward is called 070. Then put hash. Then send. You can see now call forwarding registration was successful. All calls that come to this number will be now forwarded to your phone. Then click OK. And in case you don't want to forward calls from the line to your phone again, you can dial this code to cancel the call forwarding. On your phone again, dial #002#, then send. You will now see call forwarding result was successful. From now on, you will not receive call from the number again. That is how you can forward calls from one number to the other. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like and share these videos for others to enjoy. If you find this video useful, give this video a thumbs up. For any question, comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye for now. Till I come your way again.